Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the issue of Microsoft Edge keeping opening automatically by itself. Step 1, open Apps and Features. Open the search menu, type Apps and Features, click on the best match result and open Apps and Features. Step 2, find Microsoft Edge. In the apps list on the right side, search for Edge and locate Microsoft Edge in the results. Step 3, modify Microsoft Edge. Click the three-dotted icon next to Microsoft Edge, select Modify, and click Yes if prompted by User Account Control. Step 4, repair Microsoft Edge. A prompt will appear saying Repair Microsoft Edge, mentioning that repairing requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings will not be affected. Click Repair and wait a moment. Step 5, relaunch Microsoft Edge. Wait for Microsoft Edge to reinstall and relaunch, then check if the issue is resolved. If Edge no longer opens by itself, the issue is fixed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.